this is me. I remember, and my name is Harvey Rodcap. Come on, let's get started. The decals are broken. Oh no! Oh no! My sister's is broken. It's damaged. Ah! Everyone.
Да, что?
Harvey Rodcap, are you okay? Sister go away. Seriously, I need to repair. Let's buy a new one. Say, repair. Think about yeah. Hi. Can't see you wait.
Вот это, что Виктория с
Hello.
Наташей. Это очень интересно. Может быть, с этим послушаем. Там Наташа вообще, мне нравится, как она преподносит информацию. Послушаем.
Hello guys, this is here on Red Car. Today we're going to be meet a new friend. This is Disney Pixar Cars movie. Which is I don't know what to do. Say her name was Harvey Rodcap and Barry DePedal. Thank you. That's the thing. Every characteristic thing. Harvey Rodcap. This is his damaged internally. And there was a new friend, Harvey Rodcap. He was a Barry DePedal. He's always yeah. It's this new friend. This is here. I always say everyone who always say Easy Idle and RPM. 2023 mainline. Here's this here. And the Harvey Rodcap. And then here the Barry DePedal. And it's really what it is here. The artwork in the 2023 Thailand variant. And on the back of it, it's saying cars. Disney Pixar Cars 3 is in metal. And how many cars do you have? Even to see. And Chris Revstovsky with the white flag with final lap. And Manny McGear. Flo and Danica Ramon. I think which is Danica Ramon. You see, and the twin. And the Harvey Rodcap and Barry DePedal. Here's you see. Ooh. Conrad Camber and Jonas Carvers. Jet Robinson and Caleb Worley. Disney Pixar Cars 3.
Артем,
Forever.
мокрый.
This is someone getting this to buy it or eBay.
Все, одежду там брось стирать. Трусиках иди одевайся.
And the Disney Pixar Cars.
Ботинки поставь сушиться.
They never may not do what this is saying. What other thing that they fix our cars? Oh, I can we even have all this. See, nitro, color, and the camera side views, and Disney, Pixar, and Harvey Rodcap and Barry DePedal. Let's unboxing. Ooh. Now, let's open it up this thing. Here's a Harvey Rodcap. And Barry DePedal. Here's the thing. Change the sessions. Change the expressions. And the review.
Привет, Артемушка.
Here's the thing to say, Harvey. Higher than everything I do. He recommended everything I did to fix our cars. You know what I'm gonna do. Hey, what do you think of this? It was Harvey Rodcap. Here's the necessary. Yeah, anything what it is. Let's see. And then the expressions. And it's an Easy Idol on the hood. And it's sponsored by Easy Idol.
Артемушка, покормить?
That's the number. 15 Easy Idol logo. And what you can do is see
Misha, I must go. Stop feeling my leg. How I can to go?
well,
Thank you.
there's a camera screen on the left beside us. At the right side, it's sponsored us today. And the next gen in the Easy Idol. I don't know what to do. That's the series. And the thing is, an Easy Idol number 15 is here. And you know the back of the side, it's an Easy Idol logo. That's this is number 15. This is without missing. And here it is, Harvey Rodcap from Easy Idol car. Thanks to sister. Now you're ready. Yeah, DePedal. Yeah, let's go to the expressions. This one, the Cars Free film. the piston cup combustor, carbon cyber, and synergy. 64 car. And on the back, 54 RPM. What's the number? 54. Number sides to indicate. RPM. This is Barry DePedal. This is RPM. Anyone else is secret to think? Harvey, Rodcap, and Barry DePedal. That's the secret they wanted to do. Say what you say. Harvey, Rodcap. Barry DePedal. Thank you for watching. That's like for films. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And TT Castlenut applies for your more carousel and eBay. Grandma for you. Thank you, Grandma. Let's see. The end.